वेलकम बैक टू द रंजीत कुमार शो। आज हमारी बात हो रही है क्लिफर्ड लूकस के साथ, जो बात कर रहे हैं कस्टमर सर्विसेज एक्सीलेंस प्रोग्राम पे। Already we have discussed a lot of modules in previous video. Now we are going to talk about other modules regarding customer services. Sir, ये कहा जाता है कि creating relationship with internal customers and external customers. Why should I initiate to build relations with the people? वो मेरे पास आके मुझसे ताल्लुक क्यों नहीं बनाते, मैं ही जाके क्यों बनाऊं? Then what is the secret behind those things? मैं तो ऐसा समझता हूँ, लोग मेरे पास आए मुझसे बनाते।
कहावत तो सुनी होगी, charity begins at home.
Charity begins at home, बिल्कुल सही।
So relationships also start. We have two kinds of relationships. One is with the internal customer and one is the external. The internal customers are the ones that are responsible within the organization to help you deliver that level of service expectations that the customer needs is asking on from you to deliver those.
Right.
So they become a very critical role in that. So for a person like me who is dealing with an external customer, I am dependent on internal customers to serve me. So you see, what happens is people have got the wrong concept of organizations. What happens is that from the lower they serve the higher graded people, then the higher graded, and then higher graded. Actually, those are the organizations that don't survive long.
Right.
This mindset has to be that the service culture starts from the top.
Yes.
And then they are the ones serving the ones below them, and for continues. So eventually, the frontline people are the ones that serve customers. So when they come and are living the culture of the organization where the topmost guy is serving, not the ones below them. They culture में क्या होता है कि boss. But it's the other way around. They are the ones serving you. And when you build that culture, that is where the service culture of in an organization.
It means जब भी अगर कोई चीज स्टार्ट करनी है, वो घर से शुरू करो ताकि पूरा कल्चर आपका बेहतर।
Internally आपका ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में
का कल्चर बेहतर,
वो आपको सर्व करेंगे. It will help you serve the customer.
Serve customers as well. Let's talk about the dealing with difficult and complaining customers. Ideally मतलब internal या external दोनों हो. And इसके बारे में आपने लिखा है essential of mirroring.
Yeah.
पहले difficult और complaining पे बात करते हैं, then we talk about essential of mirroring as well.
I will start with asking you a question.
हाँ.
Are difficult, angry, बदतमीज customers good or bad?
मुझे ऐसा लगता है आज because I am from sales side, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि basically they are my feedback. अगर मैं थोड़ा सा हट,
If you to look at the layman, the first thing they will say कि यार ये customer.
अब भाई ये तो मेरा ये लेने मैंने वाला कुछ नहीं, बदतमीज आदमी खुद का वक्त भी जाया करेगा, मेरा वक्त भी जाया करे, अब क्या होता है कटा वैसे.
But we don't realize that dealing with these kind of customers is an opportunity for us to improve ourselves because they are the ones who are highlighting what we are doing wrong. Okay, I'll give you a very small example. आपके हाथ पे एक कट लग जाती है. जब कट लगता है तो आपको क्या महसूस होता है?
दर्द होता है,
पिंच होता है और खून भी निकलता है.
बिल्कुल.
You feel trickling of the blood.
Yes.
If you don't treat that wound, what happens to it?
तो वो इन्फेक्शन करेगा.
इन्फेक्शन को भी हम ना ट्रीट करें फिर क्या होगा?
उसके बाद वो अंदर मजीद इन डेप्थ हो जाएगा और मेरी स्किन को डैमेज करेगा.
वन पॉइंट में शायद आपको हाथ को एम्पुटेट भी करना पड़े, है ना?
Yes.
This is exactly what happens even in customer services.
Right.
So when customer complains to you, he's trying to tell you that there is something wrong. Get it done, get it resolved fast. And remember one thing. माँ बाप भी हमें डांटते, चपेटे भी लगती है. क्यों करते हैं? Because they want us to improve. They don't want us to go through a bad time, which is why they become that way with us. Again, if your attitude is on the positive side, you will start looking at things like the glass is half full instead of half empty.
Yes.
And that helps you take criticism or deal with those angry people in a very positive way. Because when you yourself are positive, you will be able to give a positive solution.
Absolutely, yes. उसके अंदर आपने लिखा है essential of mirroring. What is that?
Essential of mirroring is a technique that I learned in my experience as a call center. There was this nice video that I saw. And mirroring is replicating different things about the customer. There's a lot of things that people don't know. You are talking to me, I'm talking to you.
Yes.
But I am able to gauge what your communication style is.
Okay, so this.
All right. And what is your more dominant style? I don't even think anybody is aware कि यार कितने types of communication styles है और मेरी अपनी style क्या है communication की. Because if you don't know it, how would you be able to recognize
them?
Mirroring, what it does is you replicate that concept about customer. For example, you come to me screaming कि यार आप लोग इतने बदतमीज हो, आप लोग बंदे वहाँ पर जाकर के उसने मुझे गाली गलौज से बात की, मुझे धक्का दिया और ये वो. अब पावर वर्ड्स क्या थी उसमें? गाली गलौज, धक्का. अब ये क्योंकि ये वर्ड जैसे कि कस्टमर के दिल को सेंसिटिव है,
बिल्कुल ऐसे.
जब आप उसकी कम्युनिकेशन में रिस्पॉन्स करते हैं, you use this technique called mirroring where you replicate these power words in your own communication. And I go like, Ranjit साहब, I'm really sorry कि आपके साथ बदतमीजी और गाली गलौज हुई. I can understand your pain. And if I was in your place, I know I would be upset as well.
Yes.
And so what was the keyword that I used? आपके साथ भी मैं माज़रत चाहता हूँ कि आपके को धक्का दिया या बदतमीजी की. तो this is called mirroring. Using certain power words that have an impact on the mind of the person that makes him feel कि यार हाँ, he listened to me.
Yes.
It's not that he was hearing me, he was listening to me. And there is different communication styles. There are 3 different communication styles that people have. They are people-oriented, result-oriented, and the third one is right now.
No problem.
It's there. But what happens is that you recognize people-oriented style people are those, who love to be over-friendly.
Yeah.
They'll talk about not only the problem, but later on. But they will be talking about their personal lives, their feelings with you, and then they go into the other mode. So, like if I looked at you, all of us have got all 3 styles of communication.
Yes.
We all have.
Right.
Okay, one is the person who's result-oriented. Third one is result-oriented. Okay?
The
People-oriented, detailed-oriented, and
result-oriented. Yes.
These are the different styles of communication.
हम podcast जब खत्म होगा, मैं पूछूंगा कि आपने मुझे अभी तक क्या observe किया.
मैं आपको यहीं पे बता दूं. You have all 3.
Yeah.
But your dominant style is a people-oriented style of communication. Yes. But where required, you also are very effective in the result and the detail oriented.
So जैसे आपने भी बताया कि इसको जो मेरी साइंस के हिसाब से इसे कहते हैं जिक्सॉ डिस्कवरी टूल. उस्मान से भी बड़ी डिस्कशन होती है मेरी. तो उसमें जब मेरा स्कोर आया, उसमें 64 क्वेश्चन आंसर करेंगे ना आप, और तकरीबन 5.5 घंटे लगते हैं आंसर करने में. उसमें जो मेरा पहला स्टाइल है जिसको हम कहते हैं रेड स्टाइल, दैट इज कॉल्ड रिजल्ट ओरिएंटेड स्टाइल. आई एम नंबर 1. सेकंड जो मेरा स्टाइल है दैट इज कॉल्ड पीपल ओरिएंटेड, वो मेरा सेकंड आता है. So of course आपने flip side बताया, absolutely perfect.
नहीं, but what happens is this is just my first interaction with.
First interaction.
This communication style
keep changing.
No, analysis can only be done over a period of.
Yes. अभी तो आपने मुझे मैंने जो कार्ड ओपन किया आपके सामने, वो people वाला ओपन.
हाँ जी.
You haven't seen my.
Absolutely.
लेकिन आपने flip करके on the basis of my card you picked it right.
But based on your tone.
Yes.
Your voice. And the intonation of your voice. All of this tells you a lot of things about the individuals.
As per बड़ी डिटेल में बात.
Facial details, everything.
Yes. Excellent. Let's talk about, आपने लिखा है few forbidden phrases in building service relationship. क्या वो few phrases हैं जिनको नहीं बोलना चाहिए, avoid करना चाहिए during service excellence program या excellence जो हम market में जाके करेंगे?
Okay. Simple question. Do you work on Sundays?
If my job required.
No requirement. We just want you to come and work.
No. Why should I work on Sunday?
What was the first thing that you started that sentence with? No. Right?
Yes.
One of the forbidden phrases is you never begin a sentence with the word no.
No.
Right?
Right.
So you use alternative words. वो उर्दू में कहते हैं ना, सांप भी मरे लाठी भी ना
टूटे.
तो for example in a bank somebody says यार मुझे ना चेक कैश करनी है संडे वाले दिन, बैंक खुला है. तो अमूमन the representative will say, no sir, I'm sorry, bank band hai. Now if you look at it, it's a negative. But the same thing, if I was in that person's place, I would say, sir, if State Bank allowed us to and forced us to remain open, we would have probably been. But unfortunately, due to certain factors, we are unable to keep the branch open. Unable,
right.
Which tells you that you want to, but you're bound by certain things which you're not able to. So the choice of words in customer service makes a lot of difference. And the most important word that people, as customers, they don't like to hear. Somebody say, we can't do that.
Who is it?
ये हम कर नहीं सकते भाई. What psychological mindset of people is, they don't want to know what you can't do for them. They want to know what you can do. So if you can't do something, don't put it across that you can't do it. You say, for example, I ask you something and you don't know the answer. Obviously, you will be honest and say, no, I don't know this. I don't know. Right? But the same thing, if you ask me, I would have told you, wow, that's a great question. Let me just check and find out. So what happens is, वैसे भी आपको नहीं पता था और आप किसी से वैसे ही पता करके वापस आकर के बताते ना कस्टमर को, but that would make you look like you're dumb, you didn't know. You're supposed to know when you're sitting on that seat. But the same thing when you say, wow, that's a great question. Let me just check and get back to you on.
मुझे सर इसी बात पे ना आपकी Pursuit of Happiness जो है ना, विल स्मिथ की मूवी यार,
Absolutely.
उसमें वो इंटरव्यू सवाल पूछता है कि for example somebody who is coming for the interview and he's not wearing a nice shirt. So उसे पूछता है अगर तुम्हें ये अच्छी शर्ट ना हो तो हम उसे कैसे जज करें? So you might have seen he's wearing nice pants. So यानी कि ठीक है नहीं होता है, लेकिन I think I can relate your dialogues, your things that you've explained here, a lot of covered in a lot of movies. बड़ा मजा आएगा इस प्रोग्राम के हवाले से. एक छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद, मतलब ब्रेक तो लेंगे हम, ब्रेक से पहले एक और सवाल कर लेता हूँ ताकि हमारा फिर अगला जो मॉड्यूल हो जाए. सो आपने लिखा है दी कस्टमर एंगेजमेंट मॉड्यूल, उसमें लिखा है आपने कुछ पिलर्स हैं कस्टमर एंगेजमेंट के. थोड़ा सा कस्टमर एंगेजमेंट में रोशनी डालें, फिर ब्रेक लेते हैं आप.
So what is customer engagement? Customer engagement is about connecting with your customer. Customer engagement is about how you connect with the customer is based on, there's a formula. It's called operation excellence plus your personal employee satisfaction. When you combine both of this, if you have a satisfied employee and your operational side has got excellent processes and procedures in place, that is when you will be able to engage a customer successfully. ठीक है, जब आपके process वगैरह सही हैं, लोग उस process is not something that is what pushes you. It's a tool given to you to use in order to deliver the satisfaction to the customer. So your processes are your tools that help you give the satisfaction. Even if you have the tools, but your mindset and your happiness is not there. If you're in a bad mood, आपको बॉस ने आपकी इंक्रीमेंट होनी थी, नहीं हुई, कस्टमर जो आएगा, क्या आप उसी दिल से कभी कस्टमर को सर्व करोगे?
No, the way I'm treated, I'll exactly flush through that communication.
This concept which is called behavior breeds behavior.
Behavior breeds behavior. Excellent.
मैं अब छोटी मिसाल देता हूँ. आज आपके इतना बुरा दिन हो गया इस पॉडकास्ट के बाद, ठीक है, और आप इतने परेशान हैं और आप घर गए और आपके बच्चे आप शोर शराबा कर रहे हैं. Majority of the time without realizing it, we get angry on them.
और we chapak.
कुछ भी है. But that's what it is. Your bad behavior is breeding another. That child will go after experiencing your behavior with you. Will go and share it with somebody else. They will behave bad with somebody else.
And then it goes on and they keep on.
Exactly.
वो अपनी anger, frustration किसी और पे throw करे. Absolutely yes. छोटा सा सर एक ब्रेक लेते हैं. ब्रेक के बाद हमारा जो रिमेनिंग मॉड्यूल उस पर बात करते हैं. अगेन आई गिव यू कॉम्प्लीमेंट. दिस कोर्स गोइंग टू बी फैंटास्टिक रिगार्डलेस जो लोग किसी भी इंडस्ट्री में काम कर रहे हैं, रिगार्डलेस वो सेल्स से ताल्लुक़ रखते हैं नहीं रखते, बिकॉज यू आर टॉकिंग लाइफ लॉन्ग एंड लाइफ के हवाले जो मैनुअल्स बनते हैं उसकी बात हो रही है. जैसे हम नॉर्मली टीवी का एक मैनुअल देखते हैं, मुझे ऐसा लगता है एक लाइफ का मैनुअल पढ़ा.
एज अ ट्रेनर आप कभी गाड़ी में बैठते हैं बगैर सोचे जाना का है?
नहीं, ऐसा तो कभी नहीं बैठते.
That's exactly the point. So when I got into training with one objective.
Right.
Is to help people change their lives for the better.
Excellent.
And it's not about the financials are always obviously there, but that is not the priority is always to be able to impact somebody's life for the better.
For the better.
And that is the objective of my life and existence also.
Clifford sir, thank you very much. We should take a small break and we'll come back with the powerful questions again. Thank you very much. God bless you.